Welcome to cozy, to peace, to beauty and comfort. And finally, welcome to Owerri. This is Doveland Estate here in the hospitality city. And right here, we have this newly built, fully detached 4-bedroom duplex with a security house right here and an inbuilt boys' quarters. Just one room boys' quarters. And this property is not just screaming luxury, it is also screaming wow. And please, before I forget, in case you want to buy this property, I want to expand. We have extra plots by my right here that you can buy and expand in the compound. The compound can take as many cars as possible with this carport that is right here. So let's move inside and see. Living room, you can see how spacious the living room is. Very, very spacious. And you can see, so this space you are seeing just behind me here is a space mapped out for your dining session. So this is good for your dining session. From here, let's go to the kitchen. Thank you, madam. Whatever food you cook here will not just taste sweet. It will, with the gas cooker made for this space. Here is the island and this cupboard here. This is the boys' quarters here. Like I said, it's a room boys' quarters. Here we have one of the rooms downstairs. We usually call it the guest room here. You can see one thing with this particular property is that all the rooms are ensuite. So from here, let me show you other rooms. You up now for you to see the remaining 3 bedrooms with a family lounge, that's extra parlor upstairs. You can see the kind of staircase we have here, wide enough, unlike some other buildings we see. This is another room here. This is one of the rooms upstairs. You can see how spacious the rooms are. And this is a toilet. Over here is a wardrobe. Tell me a master's bedroom that is as spacious as what you can see in this video. As you're seeing it in the video, that's how you also see it in the real physical world. So look at this master's bedroom, very spacious, with this walk-in closet. You can see, look at what we have here, the wardrobes. So I know you will not only like this, but you will love what you're seeing. So from here, I step into the master's toilet. See, we have this bathtub here. Maybe when the sun is too high, you can come here, relax, and enjoy yourself. This is it. Finally, this is the family lounge. That's the extra parlor I was talking about. So this is the family lounge. You can see that it's spacious, big enough for your personal family matters, maybe prayers, or when you want to have a close relative or even friends, you can entertain them here. From here,